Guys, most businesses use QR codes to share a website or open a simple link. But what if the same code could do more than open a link and actually help people take the next step with your business, and even replace paper business cards? That's where QR codes become much more useful for business. They remove friction between offline materials and digital actions, so customers can take the next step without extra searching or manual effort. One scan can take them exactly where they need to go. I'm Daniel. Welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. Today we're looking at QRCodeChimp, and I'll show you 5 practical ways businesses can use codes to turn printed materials into more useful digital touchpoints. And I'll also share which features I personally find the most practical, because some of these are not just nice-to-have tools. They can actually make everyday business interactions smoother. Mates, we'll create a digital business card, a multi-URL, Google Maps, Google Review, and PDF QR code. We'll also look at bulk generation for businesses that need hundreds of codes at once. Also, I have left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. So let's get into it. Alright folks, imagine you're at a conference or business event. You give someone a paper business card, but it gets lost or buried in a pile of other cards. With QRCodeChimp you can create a digital business card. It's a clean profile page with your basic info and all the ways people can reach you. I open the QRCodeChimp tool, choose a template, and add the main details. I can customize the text, add links, adjust the design, and preview how the page will look after scanning. Friends, the result looks clear. One scan opens the card, and the person can save your contact directly on their phone. QRCodeChimp also gives you design options to make the code look more branded and visually consistent. And if you use these cards at events, you can track scans to see how many people engaged. The second use case is sharing multiple URLs from one page. Mates, if you're a content creator, influencer, or business owner, you know how useful it is to have one page with all your important links: your website, Instagram, catalog, or support page. That's exactly what multi-URL QR code does. Think of it as a Linktree style page, but with a scannable version you can print or share. One scan opens a simple page where people can choose the link they need. Inside QRCodeChimp we create a multi-URL page, add links one by one, and label each button clearly. Then the platform generates one code for the whole page. You can print it on packaging, banners, or flyers, and the person scanning it can choose where to go. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! The third use case is sharing your business location with one scan. This is useful for location-based businesses that want to make it easier for customers to find them. Instead of making customers search for you manually, you can use QRCodeChimp's Maps option to send them directly to your business location. The problem is simple. A customer wants to visit you, but finding the right location and getting directions can still take more effort than it should. Folks, with a Google Maps code, one scan opens your location directly in the app, so the customer can immediately start navigation. Inside the tool, we add the location link and create a dynamic code. This can work across different printed and digital materials, wherever customers are likely to see it. And if you create a dynamic Google Maps code, you can update the destination without reprinting it if your business moves locations. In case you don't know, a dynamic code lets you change the destination link later while keeping the printed version unchanged. You can also track scan analytics, which is useful if you want to see how many people actually used it. The fourth use case is getting more customer reviews. Most small businesses want more reviews, but customers usually don't want to search manually. They have to search for your business, find the right review section, and leave their feedback there. A Google Review QR code makes this easier, mates. The customer scans the code and goes directly to the review page. You can place it at the checkout counter, print it on receipts, or include it on packaging and other follow-up materials. This works because timing matters. If a customer just had a good experience, one scan is much better than asking them to search manually later. The fifth use case is sharing up-to-date PDF documents across multiple channels. Folks, I want to say that QRCodeChimp's PDF generator makes it easy to share important business documents with one quick scan, from menus and brochures to product guides and training documents. Let's say you print flyers with a scannable code leading to a digital menu. Then prices change. With a static QR code, that becomes a problem. With a dynamic one, that problem disappears. You generate it once and it stays printed forever. When the menu changes, just replace the file behind the same code. No reprinting, no new flyers. Everyone who scans it gets the latest version automatically. Inside QRCodeChimp, we upload the PDF, adjust the design if needed, and save the final version. Now the QR code can be used on printed materials, while the document behind it stays flexible. Folks, before we wrap up, there's one more important feature – bulk generation. Everything we created today was done one by one, but in real business workflows, you may need hundreds of codes. For example, a retailer may need unique scannable codes for each product on the packaging, or a company may need digital business cards for the entire team, with separate details for every employee. The platform supports bulk upload, means you download an Excel template, fill in the data row by row, upload it back, and generate hundreds of QR codes at once. That saves time when you need to create multiple QR codes for products, events, or campaigns. So guys, QR codes are not just for opening links. Used properly, they connect offline materials with digital actions. Today, we created codes for a basic URL, digital business cards, and several practical use cases like Google Maps, customer reviews, and PDF documents. We also looked at bulk generation for teams and retailers who need many codes at once. The platform gives you one place to build, customize, and manage your codes. Visit QRCodeChimp, create your first one, and see how it fits into your business. I've added a link to the platform in the description, so check it out, mates. If you're excited to give it a shot, or if you have already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, until next time.